And what are you playing with? What is that? What is this?
iPad.
The what?
iPad.
iPad, okay. Can you show me where your snake is on the iPad?
Let's go.
Your snake? Yeah. Oh, you found a video? Okay, keep going. Oh, you know what? Can you show me where Wheels on the Bus is? Where's Wheels on the Bus? Good job. Close that app. Oh, you got to turn the screen around. Oh, Grayson.
Yeah.
What about Good. Okay, close that app. Grayson, can you close that app? Close it. Let's go to... What do you want to go to? Let's go to something else. Close that one. Oh, you want to keep hitting the rooster? Can you show me where the drums are?